Hi again and welcome to another discussion in Math 1, History of Mathematics. So this time we will have our first lesson, what is mathematics? So before we proceed with our proper discussion, let us check first the objective of this lesson. It discusses what is mathematics from a variety of points of view. So what is mathematics? So for the definition and origin of mathematics, the root of the term mathematics is in the Greek word mathemata, which was used quite generally in early writings to indicate any subject of instruction or study. Mathematics is also made up of four basic components: the arithmetic, geometry, algebra, and mathematical reasoning. And out of these four elements arises some of the most important topics here in mathematics: calculus, probability, statistics, set theory, topology, complex analysis, and mathematical logic, and a host of other areas of modern mathematics that make it the magnificent monument of the human intellect. Now let us dig deeper on what is the history of mathematics, like for example in Egypt, 3000 BC. So in Egypt, the positional number system, which is base 10, started. It also has addition, multiplication, division, and fractions. Also, the complicated formalism, limited algebra, and only perfect squares with no irrational numbers, and lastly, the area of circle, which is 8d over 9 squared, or this formula, and the volume of pyramid. Now, what about Babylon? So in Babylon, 1700 to 300 BC, they started the positional number system, base 60, sexagesimal. Addition, multiplication, division, and fractions are also used in Babylon. Also, they solved systems of equations with many unknowns. No negative numbers and no geometry. Squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots are also started in Babylon. Solve quadratic equations but no quadratic formula, and lastly they uses building, planning, selling, astronomy on the later part of Babylon. Next is in Greece. So Greece, 600 BC to 600 AD. They have the Pythagoras, mathematics as abstract concepts, properties of numbers, the irrationality of square root of 2, the Pythagorean theorem, which is the a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared, and the geometric areas. They also have xenoparadoxes, the infinite sum of numbers is finite. Also, the constructions with ruler and compass, squaring the circle, doubling the cube, and trisecting the angle. And lastly, Plato, which is the plane and solid geometry, also started in Greece. So if you have questions or do you have any other questions, feel free to reach out in Teacher Irish YouTube account or email irish.tan@ddosc.edu.ph, or you can also contact me via Messenger in Facebook. Thank you.